Step-by-step instructions for replacing the fuse when our shaft cutter and ferrule prepping center needs a replacement. Use a 5mm hex wrench and a 10mm open-end wrench to separate the motor from the base. There are a total of 4 sets of screws that need to be removed. Now you can see the fuse at the bottom of the machine. Pinch both ends toward the center and hold, then rotate clockwise to remove the fuse cover. Take out the burnt fuse, replace it with a new one, and then reassemble it by following the previous steps to complete the process. Thank you for watching.